The Clue here, back with another video. So today, look at this. I'm going to clean my mouse pad, bro. Look at my whole mouse pad. By the way, is my sister helping to take out. Look at this, bro. And I'm gonna show you guys after the cleanup. So before, and this is after washing it and putting everything back. My God, I still have to dust that. Look, sound check. And I got that G Pro mouse, bro. Just ignore the mini mic. And yeah, no scratch marks. Oh, let's just ignore that. See, no scratch marks. And look, it's like permanent. So if you want to fix it, just rub your mouse on it. And boom. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And peace, y'all.